Hey everybody, Pro Paint and Drywall coming at you. If you find this useful, smash that like button, subscribe, share. Forgot my screwdriver today, so I thought, what the heck, maybe we'll try this out. And with the blade retracted, this end of the utility knife, oops, trying to hold the phone while I'm doing this, but yeah, it fits perfectly right in there, so not so perfectly when you're trying to do it with one hand. Let's see if I can do this top one here. Yeah, there we go. So it just spins right around like a screwdriver. So yeah, just a little pro tip for you for today. In case you don't want to run grab your screwdriver, use your multi-tool. It's Kelly out.